Hello there. Earlier in the week it was just getting a little colder each day, and it was getting colder each night as well. Thursday night was the coldest of this cold spell, where we saw temperatures as low as -3, and there was a pinch of frost quite widely, unusually cold for this early in autumn. But things are changing now because we're pushing away that pool of cold air, replacing it by Atlantic winds, which will draw in milder air and lift the temperatures, but bring with it a bit of rain. Now we've got a lot of cloud and wind to start the day in Scotland and Northern Ireland on Saturday. A bit of sunshine breaking through the cloud ahead of the main rain arriving in the northwest in the afternoon. Some cloud into England and Wales. It won't be as windy here, and there'll be some sunshine as well. And for all of us, temperatures are going to be higher on Saturday, 17 or 18 in Scotland and Northern Ireland, and 19, perhaps 20 across some eastern parts of England. Here we've got high pressure in charge, keeping it dry. That weather front is bringing the rain in the northwest. That's going to push very slowly into the high pressure, into England and Wales. So this is where we've got this band of cloud and patchy rain. Should move away from northern England. Could get a bit wetter in Wales, mind you. Some patchy rain for the Midlands, the southwest of England. But to the north it becomes drier. We get more sunshine. It's not going to be as windy. It's still as mild as it will be on Saturday. And we've got similar temperatures elsewhere. Probably getting up to around 20 or so in the southeast. It should stay dry here until late in the day, and with high pressure around that weather front continues to weaken. There are more weather systems trying to come in from the Atlantic, but increasingly this one seems to be getting further and further away. So a lot of dry weather on Monday. That weak weather front still producing some cloud for a while in the south, but that should break up, and it should be seeing some spells of sunshine across the UK. And the winds are lighter, I think, as we head into Monday. Temperatures 18 degrees again for Scotland and Northern Ireland, but 21 perhaps in the southeast of England as that cloud breaks up later on. And that high pressure is going to be dominant as we head into next week. It pushes away all these weather fronts and areas of low pressure up towards Iceland. It takes the stronger winds away as well. Just a few spots of rain left in the far north of Scotland for a while on Tuesday. Otherwise it's dry, it could be quite sunny. A little bit breezy along the south coast of England and through the English Channel. But those temperatures getting up to 20 degrees even in Scotland on Tuesday. That high pressure still around for the middle part of the week. There is that tail end of a weather front approaching the far northwest of Scotland, where the winds will be a little bit stronger. And there will be a band of cloud here, but little or no rain. Otherwise it's dry under the high, again breezy across the south of England. There could be a few mist and fog patches again a little further north across the UK. Those temperatures are widely 19 or 20 degrees, and we could reach the mid-20s perhaps across some southern parts of England and Wales around the middle of the week. Next question is, how long is it going to stay this way? Well, some models like to bring this rain a bit further north, but we're sticking with the dry theme, dominated by high pressure. Again, where the winds are light, there may well be some mist and fog around in the morning, but it's not too cold overnight. For many, minimum temperatures are going to still be in double figures, and by day we've got widely temperatures 19 to 21 Celsius, a bit different from what we've seen over the past few days.